Born in the 60s with the music in my blood. I didn't know then I'd live life in rain and mud. It wasn't me to be blamed for having music on my mind. I wasn't wrong, just different. I was born the restless kind. Out here in the showbiz world, nobody rides for free. I was driven by this restless need. Can't you see? I couldn't know what it costs to do what I please. It don't matter anymore. I made the highway my home. But now 15 years later, where they gone? In all these years, where have I roamed? It's like being a farmer and can't get a thing to grow. I couldn't know it would be 50 years alone. So I made the highway my home. I made the highway my home. Open, I can see with my eyes closed. I guess I'm just another child of Mother Road. And when the cold beats me half to death and I'm crying rain, I'm trying to rip out the part that makes me feel the pain. But now 15 years later, where have I gone? In all those years, oh, where have I roamed? It's like being a farmer and can't get a thing to grow. I couldn't know it would be 50 years alone. So never how